Frigidaire Washer Repair Services in Los Angeles specialize in Frigidaire washer repair that consists of Frigidaire front load washer repair and Frigidaire top load washer repair, Frigidaire affinity washer repair, and Frigidaire gallery washer repair, along with all other Frigidaire washer models. If you are having problems with your Frigidaire washer, such as your washer won't spin, your washer's leaking water, your washer's making a loud noise, the washer won't agitate, whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.